Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Windows Update error code 0x800f080a that your device is missing important security and quality fixes. There are problems installing some updates, but we'll try again later. Let's fix that issue, guys. First thing, I recommend to retry the Windows Update. That might clear up the problem if it didn't clear up your problem. Let's move on to the troubleshoot, guys. For that, go to search menu and type troubleshoot setting, open it and click on other troubleshooters. Click Windows Update troubleshoot to run. Check for Windows Update issue for detected, guys. Did we fix your problem? Click yes and close the troubleshooters, guys. Now go to Windows Update and try to update it. For that, check for update. If you're having any update listed over here, click on updates and update it, guys. If your problem didn't resolve, let's move on to the next step, guys. For that, go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator. Click yes. Now check my video description for two commands, guys. Copy the first command. This first command is file checking utility. Copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Press enter. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification need to get 100%, guys. Let's wait for it. After finishing this 100%, guys, go ahead and copy the next command. Just need to copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Press enter. And after finishing this 100%, go ahead and restart your PC, guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.